What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I've been wanting to check some stuff out from Ferramonster. They're relatively new, I think, at least for me especially. I just started hearing about them probably a few weeks ago, and some guys were able to check them out, so I was able to get some loaners from us, a couple people. But we have the Urban Grip and the Glideman. I think the Glideman was the one I liked better. But we'll check out the Urban Grip first real quick. So you got M390 blade, gray titanium with some carbon fiber. Not bad. Sounds pretty good. Okay, dude. Alright, what else we got? We got a little Velcro patch right here thing. Yep, there we go. Introduction. Thank you for choosing Ferramonster. What the heck is this? Get out. Here. Thank you. And then a card just with the... Okay, cool. All the information on it. Cool. Sweet. Put that back in. Let's check this one out real quick. Alright, so we also have a cloth in here too, with the little emblem on it. Cool. Nice little package for it. Little pouch. I guess not package, pouch. Alright, this one was the Glideman or Urban Grip. Urban Grip, alright. Not bad, not bad. Ooh, okay, okay. Dude, that's smooth. Wow, okay, that's crispy. Alright, I like that. Solid lockup both ways, up, down, left, right. Nice little carbon fiber inlay right there on both sides. Super cool. Titanium pocket clip. That's low though. Ugh. That's one thing I would probably change a little bit better. Pocket clip, just a little bit higher ramp for it, a little bit more cutout for it, so you can get it in your pocket real well. It may not be an issue. It may work just fine. I'll let you know down in the final review of it. It's just a front flipper too, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, just front flippers. You can't really get no traction on this thing right here, obviously. I didn't think so. I didn't think so, but I was like, yeah, we'll give it a try. Obviously, it's just mostly for the frame lock, obviously. Dude, that's crispy, though. That's nice. That's buttery. Got a little bit of jimping right there, but it's just for the front lock. Yeah, pretty much just for the front lock. That's pretty much what that is for. So, obviously, you have a satin blade, too. That is smidge central. That's alright though. Like I said, it's got M390 blade right there. Nice little pivots. Little Ferramonster, I guess, maybe emblem. I think it's on both knives if I remember looking at pictures of them. I think it's like the Ferramonster emblem, even though they got that right there. So that's kind of titanium pocket clip, not quite deep carry, but not bad though for titanium. Excuse me, sorry about that. Dude, this thing opens so smooth though. I could do this all day. And I like it is a front flipper. Obviously, I usually like a secondary opening option, but that's not bad though. It's not too shabby. Yeah, that's nice. Let's open up that other one though. If it's just as nice as this, I'll be excited. Nice. Let's check this bad boy out. The Glideman. So we have a M390 blade with some gray titanium. Alright. And they have different variations of this too, so don't think this is like the only variation of them. They have a few of each. So same stuff in this. Alright, same little pouch, same little cloth. Okie doke. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's see if it's any good. We'll go ahead and close this one up. This thing is stupid smooth. I don't know how to describe it to you. Man, it's just like it's on glass. I don't know, man. It's just, that's nice. Not bad. Also, little snappier with the rear flipper tab. Obviously, that would make sense with the different opening mechanisms. See the or the thumb flick, or the rear flick, or the reverse flick. Excuse me. Okay, why can't I get that? Oh, it is a frame lock also, so that's one reason why I just struggled. Because sometimes I just get my finger too much into that frame lock and causes problems. But that opens up also smooth. But I'm not gonna lie, that one right there, man, what are these called? They're so close. It feels like they're close in name. The Urban Grip. That one, that closes even smoother than this one. That closes stupid smooth. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. This one's still smooth though. Um, Not nearly as it's smooth, but not nearly as smooth as that. That thing is, man. And they have another one out there. I think it's the Aurora Rays, and that's another one that looks similar-ish to this. It's more like longer, um, but I hear that's also fantastic. Also, man, I gotta get my hands on that one too. I like this. It kind of reminds me of the Urban EDC Supply F5.5 in a way, like not quite obviously, but it just kind of gives me vibes. I think it's the handle, it's a great handle though. I love it, but it's not. It seems like it is different though. Obviously, it's not quite the same. It just kind of gives me vibes of it. Um, Feels great in hand. Love the sharpening tool right there. You got your finger right there, and just fits just fine. You have a nice little indent right there, so you can put your thumb right there and like get a good grip on it and everything like that. Jimping is not bad if you choked up back here. Obviously, it's not too shabby at all. Um, Looks good overall though. A little ding. This pass front grips is gonna have little marks on it just from everybody using it, checking it out. Same pocket clip though. Yeah, the exact same pocket clip pretty much. So it's gonna have that little downward slope right there. I think if that was a little bit more of a ramp right there, it'd probably be pretty well. I'll have to try it out though and let you guys know. It is more deep carry, more so than the other one. Nice little lanyard hole right there for you. Obviously, a lot of room for it. Um, Got a little bit of jimping right there on there for you. Not bad, not bad. Um, I more of a I don't know what. It just reminds me of a dagger for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why. Almost honestly, it looks like a bird head to me. I don't know why. It just does. I do really. I thought I was gonna like that more, but I'm pretty wrong because I freaking love the way this opens and closes. Like it even sounds a lot different from that. Yeah, like it sounds totally different. I like the way that sounds also. It just sounds better. I love the front flipping action on it, especially for a bigger knife, or a longer knife. And just that glassy, smooth close. Man, that's beautiful. Man, I can't wait to carry these around, check them out a little bit. But I love the way that sounds too. Phenomenal. That's all I really got right now. I'll let you guys know more in the final review. Like them both. They're both great knives. I don't know the price points on them. I think between 200 and 250. I think this is the cheaper of the two. I think. I'm not quite sure. I'll have that in the final review also. But both are nice. Very nice. Except that one is just a little bit more. But that's all I got. If you have any comments, questions, let me know in the comment section. And if you guys like the videos, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.